Hey guys, welcome back. Today Blake and I want to show you how to make a super simple, quick kiwi cucumber salsa that you can serve to your guests when they come over this summer. 3 ingredients: kiwi, cucumber, and some lime juice. We already peeled using the Tupperware peeler the 5 kiwis, cut them in half using the chef knife. Blake's going to put those into the Power Chef, which hopefully you're familiar with by now. While he's doing that, I'm going to cut our cucumber up into 4 sections, and then I'm going to cut those 4 sections in half. He's going to add all those. We're going to give it all a little spritz with the lime juice. And really, all we're going to do is chop this up. Looking good. How's it look? We have some big pieces in the middle, so we're going to have Blake do it a couple more times. Here, let's give it a little mix here, get those down to the bottom.
With the Tupperware rubber spatula.
Give that a few more pulls. While he's doing that, don't forget that the Pro Chef comes with a blade cutter, great for when you're done using your Power Chef and you put your pieces away. You can put this right over the blade. Look at that. We have a great summer kiwi cucumber salsa that you can serve with tortilla chips. In fact, let's have a taste. I use my impressions bowl all the time to keep my chips in. Here you go. Let's try this out. Really good. I'm going to bring on my guest from previous shows, my son Noah. He likes to be my taste tester. Let's see what he thinks.
Interesting. Reese's cereal.
Good?
But
yeah, nice and fresh, right? All right. Thanks, everyone. See you next time when we record a video. I have no idea why I just said that. So, hey, see you next time. Chris can edit it out.